9 blade, a 10 blade, an 11 blade, a 13 blade.
The holder of the world record in Pro Street, the KC Turbo crew from Mesa, Arizona.
All right, Alex, so what's going on, man? What's new with KC Turbos?
Well, we have some 6-liter news.
Reporting live from KC Turbos.
We have now a 9 blade. We still have the Jetfire 10 blade. We have an 11 blade, and we're still going to maintain having the very quiet 13 blade.
Yep.
So what is cool is, let's take the 10 and 13 away because we all know these. Let's start with the 9. The 9 blade, you heard from other competitors, they all sound about the same, to be honest. We did improve a lot with our Jetfire technology, so you still have the same style in the back. You have basically the same blade pattern or blade design, just one less. So it still has a Jetfire technology in it. However, it is a 9 blade now, so it is obnoxious.
Yeah.
Why? Because customers wanted it. That's the only reason. It does spool slower than the 10 blade Jetfire. So if you want one, just be aware of it. A 9 blade will not spool as quick as a 10. Talking about spooling up, this is the 11 blade. I had all of them in my personal vehicle, and actually in low truck, as you know.
Yeah.
And I mean, this 11 blade is just amazing.
Yeah.
It spools instant. It makes the most horsepower on the top end. There is literally no downside to it except it's quiet.
Yeah.
So if you like that typical 6-liter whistle, this will not have it. Everything else it has. I think you drove the new 11 blade too, right?
Yeah.
What do you think?
I drove John's truck. It's amazing. Because I've ridden in your truck with the 9 blade in it. It's pretty great. And I drove John's truck with that in it, and it was like, dude.
It's ridiculous.
It spools like right now. You know?
It is instant. So you said you want the 6-liter now, right?
Yeah.
What do you want? What do you choose?
Because I'm an old man, and I don't like the whistle. I know, don't crucify me. But yeah, now I would actually, gosh, I would put an 11 blade.
You would put an 11?
Yeah, I'd probably do like, what is it, 155 30s maybe, and an 11 blade, stage 1, and be just happy. I don't want to do anything else. Just want a stock truck.
Fair enough. No, I get it. I mean, I have the 9 blade for, 2 months now, back in my truck. It is pretty obnoxious.
Wow.
The interesting thing is I get compliments on it every day, because everybody likes the truck.
Oh, yeah.
It's just a low 4x4 crew cab long bed that is obnoxious loud. But living with on a daily, I drove the other day to San Diego and back for shits and giggles because I like the breakfast burritos at the harbor, and it's bad. I got home and I was death.
Yeah.
So yeah. The 11 blade is probably the best option if you drive a lot, because you do not have any downsides.
Yeah.
0.
So that's it, guys. Go and check out the new 9 blade and 11 blade from KC Turbos. 9 blade, insanely loud. Doesn't spool quite as fast as the 10 or the 11. However, the 10 gets you that nice all around the whistle performance, and then that 11, it might be quiet, but man, that thing spools. It's so fast. You got so much top end power. It just drives great.
We have 13 blades too.
Oh yeah, OEM stuff too. If you want to stay stock, we have that option as well for you. So remember, like, comment, subscribe. Check out kcturbos.com for our new 6.0 turbine wheel options.